Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's communication skills lesson, I am going to discuss about the different sounds of G. You might have heard that G alphabet has got two different sounds, hard G sound and a soft G sound. Now, the hard G sound, the G is usually pronounced as G, okay? And in the soft G sound, the G is usually pronounced as J. The sound comes as J, okay? Now there is a basic rule which we follow for soft G. That is, if G is followed by I, E, Y, okay? Any of these three alphabets, then the pronunciation is soft G, that is J, like germ, gem, gym, giant. I hope this much is clear. And if any other letter that follows G requires a hard G pronunciation, as gas, got, gum, progress, grass. So you can see the difference in the two sounds. Here it is pronounced as G and here the sound comes as J. Okay, let me give you an example where both the sounds are prominent, like in language. So in language, here the sound comes as G, so that's a hard sound. And when we say last, language, here at the end the sound is J, so that's the soft sound. Garbage, Ga, the hard G sound, and when it is followed by E, the soft G sound will come, that is garbage, J sound. Now you need to understand one thing in English, that rules about pronunciation are never 100% true. Similarly, even this rule too has plenty of exceptions. See here, I'll just give you few exceptions. Like here in get, you might be expecting, since it is a E, J sound. But no, here we give the G sound. Get, a hard G sound is heard here. Finger, again G, not J. Gift, again G and not J. Tiger, it should have been tiger, but the pronunciation is tiger. Don't be sad, these are just few of the exceptions. English language has got a lot of exceptions in everything. Don't worry, you won't get confused. Just try to follow the simple rules and there are basic words where you will already know the right pronunciation. I hope this much is clear. Thank you.